Today I am back with another mushroom update. I had to pick some new ones because I fucked up, but today I'm going to be doing spore prints and I'm going to be doing bruising checks. So these two are obviously the spore prints, so I'm going to cut the stems off. If I can cut this one, this bitch thick as fuck, but it happens, it cuts off. So then I'm going to take the tops of the caps and cut those hoes, and as well as cutting the stems just to cover all my bases so y'all know that a bitch tried. So there goes a little snippety snip. I labeled all of them, left them out for a day. Then this morning I come back, as of course they all look like the chocolate lady from SpongeBob, all shriveled up. So let's go ahead and check Alice's print. She's big C- energy, not doing good today. Flat top, however, that bitch gets an A-. The bruised flat top, sorry y'all, it did not have any blue or purpleness to it. Same for the Alice, so thanks for the journey coming with me on here, but they are not hallucinogenic.